It is known for a fact that 70% of people nowadays search for solutions to their problems on YouTube. So, what problems do you solve? Hi, I'm Akash, a marketing professional, a social media consultant, and welcome to Pgeup. Are you a small business owner or do you own a website and you are trying to increase your visibility online? Then I have good news for you. As a marketing professional, I'll help you boost your visibility and grow your channel organically, even if you're starting from scratch. I'll share all my strategies, tips and tricks that will help you get more views, get more subscribers and get more sales from your channel. Also, I'll be sharing tools and resources for you to optimize your channel. My mission is to help you grow and generate good income by improving sustainability of your channel. So, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button and the bell next to it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.